these. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. $1.25. These are candle holders. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Buddha. Now, I have the white Buddha at home, but they have two other options. They have the black one and also the gray. $1.20. Oh, child. When it comes to these for the summer, I absolutely love these. Okay, oh my goodness. These are so cute. All right, these are $5. Honey, you see this? This is Maybelline Deep Gold Bronzer, okay? And is 300, I guess that's the color, Deep Gold. Maybelline New York Highlighter. Child, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have these LA Colors Ice Pigment Powder, loose metallic powder, and this one, I believe, yeah, this one is purple. And then I think they also have one that is, oh, this one is like bronze or so. This is also, know that Dollar Tree is now carrying the BioPure 15 individually wrapped wipes. Cleanses oily residue and debris around the eyelid and lash area. Pocket size singles, cleanse, pre-moistured, soothe, refresh, and revive for $1.25. Alright, so this is definitely new upon my eyes. Alright, so this is the Conceal Correct. Reduces yellow undertones. Now, I don't know if it's just, hold on, child. Oh, okay. Because, honey, you got to shake sometimes Dollar Tree items up, okay? If that line, you see that gap, if that don't fill in, that means that the stuff is old, okay? Now, it says, formula that bursts imperfections. Use lavender conceal correct to neutralize yellow undertones. And this is $1.25. Alright, so this Dollar Tree, they have these candles over here. Let's take a sniff. Ooh, this one smells good. Cranberry. Ooh, this smells really, this is $3. Okay, let's see about this one. Ooh, this one smells really good. Now, this is $5. I can see why this one is $5. Okay, that smells really good. So these candles over here, they range from $3 to $5. This is cute. Hello, gorgeous. Love this. So this is a calendar. I like this. $1.25. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. So listen, this Dollar Tree has a huge selection. Look, so first up, we had seen these the other day, these Lele briefs. You get 7 for $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Let me show you all the items that they have in here. Absolutely amazed. When I tell you that this Dollar Tree, they give you the most options, oh my goodness. Honey, look at all the steering wheel covers. They also have this awesome wheel and tire cleaner, okay. Honey, $1.25. Tire shine and gloss, wheel, tire, and cleaner, protect oil protectant, carpet upholstery cleaner. Oh my goodness. When I tell you to steal deals trails for real in this store, honey, I don't even know where I am. I don't even know what's the location of this one, but I'm gonna find out. Now, when it comes to the hair items, when I tell you that they give you a variety of items, look at all the hair selections. Oh my goodness, child. This is absolutely amazing. Every time I see these barrettes like this, it automatically brings me back to my childhood, okay? And this is really, really cute. The claw clip, $1.25. Look at this. This is a nice, fancy. And marketing team, we talked about this. Come on now. Come on with this, all right? I don't know who's going to use that. Now, Dollar Tree also have these. These elastics are really, really fancy. I like this with the gold. Very nice. $1.25. So the ones that's out there that be struggling to do the wing, okay, to do this for your eye, okay, Dollar Tree said, listen, struggle no more. We have these 4 pairs, create the perfect eye in an instant for $1.25, and they have a few of these. Honey, I love this location, Dollar Tree. They also have the LA Colors liquid eyeshadow, $1.25. They also have the LA Colors auto eyeliner, $1.25. And in this box they have like a lot of items. Post Shave Instant Nick Care. Oh, this is if you shaving, child. Get into it. Now, let's see. Oh, wow. LA Colors lipstick, $1.25. That black is nice. I like that. And then they also have the long lasting wear. This is the auto lip liner. And then they also have this, the liquid eyeshadow. Okay, when it's red, honey, it caught my eyes. This is the Sparkle Red lipstick with shea butter, $1.25. Child, this Dollar Tree is okay with me. I remember they were selling these a few weeks ago. This is the Marie Claire Natural Charm. Now, this one is, unfortunately, is broken, child. This is the high pigment payoff, easily blendable, okay, and this is $1.25. Chill, come on, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree also have these eyebrow stencils. Uneven brows got you down. We can fix that. Choose from any of our 4. Oh, child, so they have the 4 soft arch, structured arch, curved arch, and full arch, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also has this lash, everlasting lash mascara. This is fast drying, latex free, long lasting black, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the liquid makeup. I had seen the liquid makeup, and honey, it seemed okay. Okay, this is $1.25 though. This Dollar Tree, honey, they still have they glow in the dark nails, okay, for Halloween. These items are $1.25. They are the LA Colors Nail Studio. Some of these colors are hitting, honey, like this yellow, and I like this blue. It's okay with you. So, other exciting news that Dollar Tree has, they have started bringing in is the cleaning systems, okay? Like this push broom over here, which is $5. They also have the corn broom, 10-inch, $5. And then they also have the cleaning tool organizer, which is $3. They also have these roll-up mops, which are $5. Honey, child, Dollar Tree. Okay, so you guys, I do oil pulling. In fact, I haven't done it in a few days, okay? But coconut oil for oil pulling is a thumbs up. And Dollar Tree has this Butcher Boy coconut oil. This is really good. I have purchased this a few times. Now, the purpose of oil pulling is to get rid of bacteria that you have in your mouth, okay? And it also brightens your teeth, okay? Honey, when I tell you oil pulling is the way to go, I'm trying to tell you, Flo. Now, just FYI, offer good through $3/24/25. All these breads and bagels and buns, okay, are $1.50 now, okay? Now, Dollar Tree has all these amazing non-slip shelf liners that are $1.25. Honey, they have a full selection for you to choose from, okay? Like this cream color. They also have this color right here. These are cute. My fave is definitely the black. And then they have some blue down below. Really cool. So I asked a young lady who works here, where was this Dollar Tree at? Honey, I got a Dollar Tree. I don't even know sometimes where I'm at. Okay. All right. So this Dollar Tree is in Springfield, New Jersey. All right. So to my Jersey folks, this Dollar Tree, I like this Dollar Tree. This Dollar Tree is okay with me. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree just come up with the stuff, this is an island fruit. That's the scent of it. And this is for ACs, okay? Furnace or AC filter, $1.25. You get 2 packs for $1.25. And they have other ones, like this Fuchsia and Bluebell. These statues over here, these look cute. Ooh, and look at this. Child, this is nice. This is a candle holder. Is this a candle? Yeah, candle holder. Ooh, this is really cute. And then they also have these little small glass bottles, okay? $1.25. Oh, and look at these. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. $1.25. These are candle holders. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Buddha. Now, I have the white Buddha at home, but they have two other options. They have the black one and also the gray, $1.25. And some more candle holders. Now, I've seen these candle holders down here, but honey, these are really cute. I absolutely love these. Now, Dollar Tree also have these little small fans over here, these mini fans. These are $1.25. They come in multiple colors. They have purple, blue, also turquoise, black, and pink. Everywhere you go, Dollar Tree has these, okay? This is the 5 Citrus Vitamin C Mask, Lip Mask, Aromatherapy. And then, of course, they also have the Rose Collagen. And then they had the Soothing Night Dreamy Pink Pineapple Grapefruit. Ooh, this one, it felt kind of sticky, honey. I don't know if it was, I believe it was opened, okay? And then, of course, they have the Double Strength Retinol Night Repair Serum, $1.25. This stuff is good. I use this. And they write, you know, some people say use it only at night, okay? Honey, but this is really good. $1.25 for this. And this is like compared to Amazon. Honey, this Dollar Tree is fancy. They even have the shaving brush. Look at this. Honey, they fancy over here. $1.25. Now, I had used the shampoo of this. Honey, hands down, this was not good at all. And I'm almost certain I used this and it wasn't good neither, okay? Now, this neither, child. I'm trying to tell you. Trying to save you. Now, Dollar Tree also have this temporary hair color. Okay, different colors. Oh, this is cute. One kick, and this is raspberry red. They also have the electric blue, and then they also have teal. I remember I told my sister, I was like, yeah, Dollar Tree, they sell hair color. She could not believe it. And honey, she the one who kept telling me to come to Dollar Tree. Now, these items, I'm almost certain that they came out during like Valentine's Day, but Dollar Tree here, they still have these. I don't know how good. Okay, they are. Moisturizing lip gloss. This is from Beauty Intuition, $1.25. But this is one of the newer items. The Nighttime Hair Serum Overnight Hydration Treatments for all hair types by Be Pure. This is $1.25. And then they also have the Daytime Repairing Hair Mask. Smooth and softens. Chill. I wonder how that. Chill, honey. I'd be mindful, okay, trying a hair product. Dollar Tree also have these makeup brush cleaning mitts for $1.25. Let me know what was your favorite items. Mine definitely was those sandals that they had that was $5. Those was a steal deal like Holyfield, okay? All right, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys watch the next videos of mine that's up. Check them out. That being said,